Hello to anyone who's watching this. My name is Muad Marzouk. I am 17 years old. I'm actually a senior this year at ASI, Akhawain School of Ifran. Um, I've been in this school since the very beginning. So for a good 14 years, I've been in ASI. And ASI is an interesting place to have your education. One of the top things, and I can bet on anything that everyone would agree with what I'm gonna say. It's all about the trips. The trips at ASI are actually very entertaining, very fun actually. Trips, either sports trips or even like MUN debate. So for sports, we usually have around like five. We have swimming, track, badminton, basketball, soccer, and some people do volleyball, I guess. Yeah, so personally, a story I would share with you is which one I do, which one I like best. So from like middle school to not from like primary to lit to like early high school, I was badminton fanatic. I enjoyed that sport so much that I actually went to I reached nationals and played nationally in Morocco. But over time, I got honestly just bored of the sport, just repeating it every time, and I wanted team chemistry. So that's what brings up the picture here. The basketball. I started playing basketball a good since I think 10th grade. I made it to our varsity team last year and our junior varsity team the year before. Unfortunately, we came short on both, but at least there was progress. The varsity team in basketball is actually so good for team bonding, and all the trips we had were fun and everything. So for the future, what I'm trying to see after high school, so I have a plan, but I'm not sure about it yet. So I'm planning to stay here for a couple of years, and then do my master's degree outside of Morocco. So the U.S. preferably, but still got time to make my mind up. And for a personal introduction, I have one brother that actually goes to AUI majoring in business administration. Both of my parents work at AUI. One is the dean of the School of Humanities, and my mom is the director of enrollment. Yeah. So I hope the senior year is gonna take us on a good path, and senior project is coming up with the boys. Yeah, and hopefully we'll see what senior year promises us.